Yeah?
Jerry, it's Bobby Elvis.
What's up, Bobby?
Well, need some intel, my brother. We've been getting some blowback about those guys who helped us with the Chinese.
What kind of blowback?
Well, I heard they've been bragging about what happened. We just need to track them down, remind them about policy.
Sorry to hear that. That's my bad. I vouched for him.
Well, it's not a problem yet, but we just want to find out who they are before it does.
Of course. Knew the one guy a little bit. Name was Gibb.